Hi, this is Giles Johnson from Fraction ERP with a short video to explain how the BOM module works. You can access the BOM system through the main menu or through this tile on the home screen here. It's useful to point out here also that the BOM module contains the root as well as the part information about a product, containing all the manufacturing information you need to actually run it through your factory. So if I move into the BOM screen itself, I can see these various filters at the top of the screen here. This allows me to review the various statuses of BOMs I've got in the system. We also have a very simple and powerful search function on the BOM screen, so I can search through any of the BOMs we've created with just a couple of clicks. To create a new BOM, I simply click on the new BOM button, search for the part I want to create the BOM for, and then I get the option to create a BOM revision. And if I want to use an existing template, I can do so before saving and creating the header for the new BOM. Adding parts to the BOM is very simple. I can search again for these parts or add a new part straight into the system. Once I've added the part, I can then configure the quantities. So I can either use the traditional quantity, in this case a 16 centimeter length, or I can actually specify it as one part with a lot quantity, which makes it a lot simpler when it comes to the purchasing operations. When you're ready to add the operations to your route, you can either search for them using the search box, or you can go to the drop down menu and choose the operations that you want to add to your manufacturing route. You can then repeat this series of steps until you've added in all the manufacturing operations you need to add to describe how you produce this item in your factory. Once you have all the steps listed out, you can edit each one and change the setup time and the run time so you can actually tailor it to exactly how your particular manufacturing sequence needs to be. As well as the route, we have the option to add notes into the BOM. These can feed through to the manufacturing teams for extra information. You can also upload drawings and other key documents to your bill of materials. This service doesn't offer a revision control system, but does offer you an option to upload drawings and documents to the Fraction server and make them available to the shop floor when they access the same information through the works order. At the bottom of the screen, the job costing takes place as you build up the BOM, working out the setup time, run time, and any materials that go into it to allow you to see what the costs are for the job. We also give the option to override the margins that might come through from the standards you set up in the system, and then you can define the final selling price just with a few clicks. One of the important features of the BOM system we've introduced is the workflow, where you can check and approve the BOM status depending on the privileges you have within the system. This avoids anyone making unnecessary changes to the BOM and it flowing through to manufacturing without control. As I said earlier, the system creates the costing as you go, as you develop the BOM. Fraction ERP gives you the option to capture a snapshot of that costing, which can be reviewed at any time. So if you make further changes in the future, you can see what the history was. Another feature of Fraction ERP in the BOM module is the creation of templates. So you can quickly save a template from any BOM that you've created. And this is really useful if you've got a family of parts and wish to create further BOMs in the future that are very similar in nature. So all this information gets copied across when you create a new BOM, which is when you had the option to copy from a template earlier on. I hope this video has given you a better understanding how the BOM module works within Fraction ERP. If you want to learn more about Fraction ERP and how it can help your business become more productive, then please sign up for a free demo using the form below. Thank you.